A shocking new study suggests that Earth may be reaching its breaking point and faster than scientists had expected. According to research published in Environmental Research Letters, the planet is currently supporting over 8.3 billion people, but that number may already be beyond what Earth can sustainably handle. Scientists say humanity is exceeding Earth's natural capacity by nearly 23%, consuming resources about 80% faster. Even more alarming, humans are consuming resources about 80% faster than the planet can regenerate them. In simple terms, we are using the equivalent of 1.8 Earths to sustain our current lifestyle. Researchers explain that this imbalance didn't always exist. For thousands of years, human population and nature were in balance. But things changed rapidly after the 1950s, when population growth and consumption surged, pushing the planet into what scientists call a negative phase. Only 2.5 billion can live comfortably within Earth's ecological limits. This study warns that if current trends continue, the global population could peak between 11.7 and 12.4 billion by the late 2060s, putting even more pressure on already strained resources. And here's the most striking part. Scientists estimate that a truly sustainable global population may be closer to 2.5 billion if everyone were to live comfortably within Earth's ecological limits. Exceeding Earth's limits doesn't just mean resource shortages. It leads to something called ecological debt, triggering climate change, biodiversity loss, and long-term environmental damage. But it's not all doom. How can Earth be saved? Experts say there's still time to act through sustainable living, renewable energy, better urban planning, and responsible consumption. They also stress the importance of education and population stabilization. The message is clear. The choices we make today will decide whether Earth can recover or continue on a path towards irreversible damage. The clock is ticking.